what a Defender this is. I keep saying this a lot because the Defenders we're getting are ridiculous, and this is another unbelievable example. Land Rover Defender 110 3 litre, 250 brake horsepower, S model. However, look at it. It is outstanding. It's finished in Fuji white, and it's got the full urban terrain package, which is a massive option, completely transforms the look of the car. Basically, it is urban's alternative to an Explorer pack, and I actually think they do it better. You've got carbon fibre bonnet with a big grooves in, which is colour-coded along all that centre section. You've then got the wide arch kit finished in gloss black, which runs all the way around that huge big front bumper. You've got 22-inch wheels. You've got the roof ladders. You've got the side storage box. You've got the LED lights at the front. You've got the rear spoiler. You've got the spare wheel cover. Clear lights at the back. How well does that car look? On top of that, and you've got the side ladder as well. On top of that, though, an S model, people look at it and think that's more of a standard model. Look at the spec on this car inside. It's got full sliding sunroof. It's got cold climate package, so we've got heated steering wheel, we've got rear heated seats, you've got front heated seats. So it's got a tow bar, so it's got massive options, even though it's an S model. And then on top of that, it's got that all-terrain, so it looks particularly special. 71 registered, so the car's just gone a year old, so you'll have 2 years Land Rover warranty. But I'm just going to, you need to look. Obviously, you've got the urban badges on here, this bonnet. Look at the size of that at the front, then you've got the urban badge built into that front section. Wheels, unique wheels with the urban centre caps. You've got the mud flaps as well, side steps. It just looks really big, doesn't it? When they put them big kits on them with the, the ladder and the storage box and the roof rails, they just look a lot more chunky. You can see you've got the spare wheel cover, Urban Automotive, and the little badge at the back. So it looks really unique. Inside, still keyless entry. Just locked it actually. Oh, come on. And then you've got, still all the features you would want. So you can see you've got full leather, which is heated. You've got the larger screen as well in the centre. You've got a sliding sunroof, which just brightens the whole car up. And if I get in, start the car up. Heated steering wheel, because it's got cold weather climate package, is a big one, because I love that on a car, especially we're getting into the winter months now and the temperature's dropping. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, larger 11.4-inch screen with the full surround, top view and camera system. Heated seats, driver and passenger, air suspension also with it being a 110. And then you've got all your other features. You've got your Apple CarPlay, you've got all your media, your navigation. But the larger screen makes a big difference for me. So you've got the larger screen, front and rear heated seats, sliding sunroof, and then just going to get in the back as well, because there's also another great feature in the back. Get in, look at the space as well, by the way, bags of room, and there we have it. So you've got heated rear seats also for the rear passengers, privacy glass in the back here, glass roof, so just brightens the whole car up. And if you want to secure this, you can just ring me direct. My number's on the bottom of the screen, because there's not many cars available that look like this at this price range. Electric deployable tow bar, press the button, you've got a little boot protector in there as well. Huge boot space, you can drop the seats down if you need them. But that has got thousands and thousands of pounds worth of kit, options, which just make it a fantastic, great looking Defender 110 Urban, going live on the website now. Thank you for watching.